Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday morning. It's 11:43, and as we look at live Doppler radar, it is dry out there. We pull out to a little bit wider perspective. Some snow showers off to our north around Green Bay, Traverse City, and up through the UP, but those are moving away from us. We are expecting dry and quiet conditions through Friday for the most part. Our temperatures are very slow to climb. Along and south of 94, we're only about 32 degrees, 29 in Hickory Corners, 31 in Hopkins. We have a temperature of 28 in Grand Rapids. Also northern Kent County, Cedar Springs, 28 degrees. It's cool as 25 in White Cloud and Big Rapids. Temperatures only going to make it into the low to mid 30s for most of us today. We have had a few short-lived breaks of sunshine out there. Probably optimistic to call it partly sunny, but there may be a few more of those. Partly sunny to mainly mostly cloudy today. Temperatures around 35 for the high, with the wind turning southeast this afternoon at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. On the future track model, not much going on. A few breaks of sunshine, and those will be short-lived. Lots of gray shading on the map. That's cloud cover that continues into this evening and overnight. Maybe a drop or a flake, but for the most part, I think we stay dry. This is tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., the last day of 2021. New Year's Eve, a cold front's going to slide in here tomorrow. Out ahead of that front, a warm flow of air with temperatures in the low to mid 40s tomorrow. Behind it, well, there may be a drop or a flake as we go Friday night into Saturday morning. It's not going to amount to a whole lot. The whole front part, for the most part, of Saturday looks dry. This storm system that's coming out of the southwestern United States is not being kicked out or ejected as fast as the models were trying to do that yesterday. So it's going to slow down. We still have snow in the cards for us, but it doesn't get in here until we get into mid to late afternoon on Saturday. And look at that. Those darker, those deeper bands of blues, that's snow that's coming down at a pretty good clip. Maybe 1 inch per hour snowfall rates, moderate to heavy. That's around the dinner hour, and that continues into Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, Saturday night, and going into early Sunday. In our Super 7-day planner, we'll pick out a couple of things that we want to talk about here. But our first, let you know, partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies today, mid-30s. Tomorrow, warmer temperatures out ahead of that front, 42 degrees, mostly cloudy there. Saturday, well, that's the day of change. I think we're dry for the first part of Saturday, but then that PM snow will likely develop. At the very start of that, for some of us, there could be a little bit of a mixed bag of precipitation, but it looks lesser than it was yesterday. I think it's more going to be just snow for most of us because that system is tracking further to the south. Colder air wraps in, and with less wintry type of precipitation or winter mix of precip or rain, that would mean or translate to more snow. Here's the track on the European model. This is Saturday morning at 6 a.m. Notice there's nothing going on, but we'll put this into motion. Here comes the snow. The system is a little further south, so it took the heaviest snow yesterday that was over central Michigan and knocked it down over our area. See those deeper blues? When that system tracks another 100, maybe 200 miles further south, that snow is going to move as well, and that's what we think is going to happen. At least that's the latest track of it. Look at those deeper shades of blue. Saturday evening, Saturday night, going into early Sunday morning. Here's Sunday morning. The snow is going to be wrapping up. That will lift out of here. It may turn into a lake effect event, but I'm not thinking a whole lot there, and that would probably be confined to areas west of US 131. So that is on Saturday. And then as we continue the Super 7-day planner here for Sunday, lake effect snow showers, at least that's what it will transition to, and colder temperatures. How much snow are we talking about? Well, yesterday this bullseye was up here, but because the system is tracking further south, it's pulling the heavier snow down over our area. We think that's a bullseye of potentially about 6 inches of snow. So the best chance of some decent snow will be for areas along and south of US 130 or US, let me try that again. Areas along and south of I-96. So I'm thinking Ottawa County, Kent County, Ionia County southward have the best potential at seeing probably about 5 or 6 inches of snow, with lighter amounts across our northern counties. Probably only a couple, 2-3 inches up there. It's cold for Sunday and Monday. We should break that freezing mark by the time we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. I would look forward to maybe a winter weather advisory or a winter storm watch being posted by the Weather Service as we get into tomorrow and get a little bit closer to that event. I've got more at Fox 17online.com if you want to read about it. Tessa?